Good morning. My name is Dario Orlando Lita Diaz. I am a commercial airplane pilot. I am 26 years old. I want to complete my knowledge in the art of electronics. Science is very related to the majority of systems that we use when piloting a plane. I am in the UDR Barranca Bermeja. I'm going to speak about driving to Tulum. Last weekend, I traveled 3 days to the city of Tulum. It was my first visit. I traveled driving my bicycle. It was a very good experience, and the landscape of this road are very beautiful. I traveled with my wife. When we arrived in Tunja, we stayed in a hotel with the 3 days of loading had a value of 350,000 pesos. I traveled to accompany my wife to receive a bachelor degree. One of the best places I visited in Tunja was the airport. Also, is restricted only for military use. In this picture, we can see my family. She is my daughter, and she is my wife. And in this picture, we can see the airport that is only for military use. What people should do? People should go to the center of the mall Unicentro, since it has a great variety of activities to do. And the people should go to the history center of the city of Tunja and visit the airport. What people should not do? People should not go outside without dressing properly to prevent health complications of the altitude of the Tunja. People should not go out in the city center late at night because it's dangerous. It's recommended that people wear a coat all day because the cold is very strong. It is also recommended that take care parasol and the rains are unpredictable with this type of weather. The weather in Tunja is very cool during the whole day. That is, say, the temperature oscillates between 8 degrees Celsius and 14 degrees Celsius. For this reason, no fan is used. Try the boyacense food. Visit the Hasau Reservoir. Try the representative dry fruit of the regions, the habas. Thank you for your attention. Have a good day.